Welcome back to the mix, and we have Dwayne on the mix today as he speaks to Solaine, letting her know that he will not be donating any more money to her. So just go ahead and watch and grab your own insights from this. Thank you.
Hello. I'm not afraid of any of you. I am not afraid of any of you. Read my lips. Read my lips. I'm not afraid of any of you. Worst, I'm not afraid of that mad motherfucking I won't even say it. I won't even say it. It doesn't make sense. People are so lying on social media. What are we getting out of telling so many unscrupulous lies? Popo, wagwan. I'm not afraid of honor, yeah? I'm not afraid of no Popo. You know my just come for me. I'm waiting. I am waiting. Respectfully. Oh, are you watching? Yeah, you're watching? Okay, keep watching. You're going to be watching in vain. V-A-I-N. Vain. You crazy people. I'm mad. Never, Katrina, never, never. I'm good over here. I'm good over here. I'm good over here. I'm blessed over here and highly, highly, highly favored. Solaine will never. Solaine, this is for you. Solaine Anderson. This is for you, Solaine Anderson. You will never get another penny from Dwayne Fletcher ever again a day in your life. You are a hypocrite. You are not a nice person. And I see exactly who you are. You only wanted me in your circle because you know I was kind to you. Those days are over. Over. But you know what? People talking in parables like to say we don't know. You, that person, and the other person, all of you are mad, on a crazy, on a ed, on a mad. You people are mad people. Mad as hell. Why? Listen, you know what I don't understand? Why do I always attract crazy people in my life? Like, I don't understand. I don't understand. Why do I attract crazy people in my life? Honestly, if I knew people were like that a long time ago, I would have never embraced you. I would have never embraced you. Never, ever, ever, ever. Talk truth, Natalie. I am content, right? I'm content. I'm also a cash cow. In other words, they have to make money calling my name. They're so mad my life is so blessed in Great Britain. What's happened to me, it is a blessing, but it's also a curse at the same time. I'm not mad at it. I am not mad at it. Why are you people talking about my disability? Is it your disability or is it my disability? Don't talk about my disability as if to say it's nothing to do with you. Was he there when I was going through my trauma? No, he wasn't. Get off my damn back. I want to come like parasite and leech and ticks. I am torn. I don't have a couple of it's never going to happen. Never, ever. Watch Glow. Cute though. I'm cute though. I'm cute. Am I cute? Am I cute? I'm cute, right? I know. It's the glow of the Lord. It's the glow of the Lord. We don't need to live on black screens or we don't need to do those things. The last time you said that it was misinterpreted. I don't know what you're talking about, Teresa. I don't know what you're talking about. Enlighten me. Please enlighten me. Please enlighten me, Teresa. Thank you. I see all of you people trying so hard to speak fluently, and the speaking you're speaking, it's not making sense. It doesn't make sense. Go back to school. Go back. You know what? I'm so thankful. I'm so thankful after my trauma, right? I still, even though I couldn't speak at a point, I'm glad I've mastered back the English language. I've mastered it back again. I'm good over here. Yes, things are not where I want it to be in my life. Oh, police, if you're watching me, I don't care. Popo, police, the Metropolitan Police, if you're watching me, I don't care. Watch all you want. I'm big, bad, and bold. I am bad. Whoa! I cannot be bothered. But hold on. What are you watching me for? Oh, I'm likable, right? I'm likable. I know I am. I know I am. Thank you for watching me. Thank you so much. I truly appreciate your support. Okay? Teresa, I don't understand how come I'm always